Hey, I want to welcome you to today's video. This is going to be the actual tutorial to the song Jingle Bells on the clarinet. So, get your clarinet and let's get started. So, Jingle Bells starts with 6 E's. E is your first finger and your thumb on the hole in the back. So, thumb on the hole in the back, first finger on the first hole in the front. We're going to play 6 E's, and it sounds like this. That's the first part. The second part is a little bit harder. You're going to play another E, thumb on the hole in the back, first finger over the first hole in the front. Then you're going to play a G. No fingers are down. Then you're going to play a C. C is 3 fingers on the first 3 holes on the top and thumb over the hole in the back. Then you're going to lift up the bottom finger so that you have 2 fingers on the front and your thumb still over the hole in the back. And that is the next 4 notes. We're going to finish it with an E, thumb and first finger. So it will go E, G, C, D. And it sounds like this. So let's put the first part and the second part together. 6 E's, then an E, a G, a C, a D, and an E again. I'm going to play both parts, and then we'll try it together. All right, this time you try it with me. We're starting on E, thumb and first finger. 1, 2, ready, play. And that last E you're going to hold for 4 counts. Let's move on to the second part. Well, actually, this would be the third part because we just went through part 1 and part 2. So now we're going to play 5 F's. An F is just your thumb over the hole in the back. 5 F's with your thumb only. Then we're going to add our first finger and we're going to play 2 E's. So 5 F's and 2 E's. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, play. Great. The next section, there are 6 notes in the next section, and those 6 notes are E, thumb and first finger, D, thumb and 2 fingers. You're going to play a second D, thumb and 2 fingers. Then you're going to pick up your bottom finger and you're going to keep your thumb and first finger down to play another E. So those 4 notes are going to be E, D, D, E. Then we're going to play another D, thumb and 2 fingers. And then a G, no fingers. So again, it's E, D, D, E, then a D again, and then a G. I'll demonstrate. Let's try that together. Ready? Play. Let's try all of the third part and this fourth part that we just did. So 5 F's with your thumb, 2 E's with your thumb and first finger, another E, 2 D's, another E, a D, and a G. 1, 2, ready, play. Great. Now, if you didn't notice, down in the description, I also put a link to a PDF, and that PDF has all of the music that we're going through today. So if you downloaded that and you printed that off, You can be looking at the music as we did all of this. If you look at the second line of music, the first 6 measures are exactly the same on the first and second line. So everything that you and I just went through is exactly the same on the first line and the second line. Now we also did the last 2 measures on that first line, the E, D, D, E, D, and then G. So really, what I need to teach you, because we already did the first 6 measures on the second line, are the last 2 measures on that second line. So this would be the last 5 notes on the second line of music. And the last 5 notes on the second line of music are G, G, no fingers down, F with your thumb over the hole in the back, then a D. D is 2 fingers on the front, thumb on the hole in the back, and then we're going to play a C, and C is 3 fingers on the front and your thumb on the back. It goes like this. Let's try that together. The last 2 measures on the second line of music. G, G, no fingers down, thumb F, thumb and 2 fingers D, and thumb and 3 fingers C. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, play. So, I went through all of these parts with you. I helped you to practice your jingle bells. I hope it was helpful. There is a PDF down in the description, like I said. So if you look down in the description, you'll see a link. Click on the link, download the music, print the music off, and you can come back and you can watch this video many, many times, and I can take you through that paper, and I can help you to learn jingle bells. Well, there you have it, jingle bells on the clarinet. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, click the like button below. Also, it'd be great if you subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll know when my new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.